Good morning traders. This is a special video for all my trading friends, and I'm going to show you a simple way of analyzing the market without using any paid tool. You can do this on your own, and even if you're not a trader, if you're somebody who is wanting to invest, this strategy will also help you to do that. So let's go to TradingView. This is a free site. Anybody can register with their Google account and start using it. I'm not suggesting any paid tool here. It's all free to use. So here you can see there are a couple of things which are on my chart. One is the basic candlestick pattern chart. This is, and then I have a moving average which is marked here, which is simple moving average. There is 20, 200 and 5. Okay, so there are three moving averages which I have marked. So, and there is a super trend. So let me hide the moving average so that you can see the super trend. So this is a super trend. So this is a basic simple super trend strategy. Even if you don't know anything about the market, know the basics, just want to analyze the chart and want to understand the trend is positive or trend is negative, or is it neutral, you can identify with this simple super trend indicator. So this is available free for you. You can just use my settings 14.2.5 which I use, and then I use the moving average. So let's hide the super trend also for a moment. Let's look at the basic candlestick chart here. So we have multiple time frames. So if I have selected a 5 minutes, that means each candle is of 5 minutes. Okay, so from the time the market opens, this is the first candle, which is 9:15 to 9:20, and the next candle starts from 9:20 to 9:25. Like this, you have every 5 minutes there is one candle, and this candle shows where the price opened and where it closed. If it opened here at 23571 and closed at 23607, that is, from the open to close it moved positively, so it's in a positive trend. So this is the color of the candle, which is green. So if it opened higher 23589 and it went till 23500 and closed below the open, which is 23575, then the candle color is red. I hope you can understand this basic thing to understand the colors of the candles. So green color simply is the positive candle, red color is the negative candle. That means open to close there is a negative difference, open to close there is a positive difference. So मतलब जो 1 रुपए में खुला है वो 3 रुपए में क्लोज हुआ है, वो ग्रीन कलर होगा. जो 1 रुपए में खुला है और माइनस आधे में क्लोज हुआ है 0.5 पे, तो वो रेड कलर होगा. So that's how you have to read. So let's look at the candlestick of Nifty 50 index, which is the top 50 companies of India. So here we are going to look at this from a monthly point of view. First we'll start with month. Okay, as you can see, market is nicely in an uptrend. So what we do is we simply mark the main touch points. Okay, so we'll just draw a trend line from the previous low to the next low. So this becomes, there should be two touch points for any trend line. That is a basic thing. So two touch points we have here. So this has bounced on this and then moved up. So this is the monthly trend line. You can call this as a monthly trend line. Let it be blue color. Then we go to a weekly time frame. Okay. So this is your weekly time frame. As you can see, your monthly trend line is visible here. Okay. And the market has moved really well from that point of view. So let's see if we can draw another trend line from this point to capture the upside movement. Okay, so this I will color it as, say, yellow. So yellow is our weekly trend line. So weekly trend line, we can see the market is moving in an upward direction. And even if we have to look at zones, after marking this, we have to look at the zones where there can be an accumulation and market can take a support and move up. So that we have to find out which are the zones. So I have removed all the indicators. I'm just putting trend lines, basic trend lines. We have to, this is very easy, anybody can do it, so you can do it this way. Then we go to a daily time frame. So on a daily time frame, you can see our trend line on weekly, okay, which is little away from these points, because on a time frame where you are watching it. So this, we don't have to draw a one more trend line here, because I think this is sufficient, because it is covering all the points of a daily trend also. Okay, so it is very evident that is clearly market is moving up. So what can we do is, on a daily time frame, we will add one more analysis here, which is your fib retracement. So what we do is, from the point from where the market started moving till the top, till this point, which is your 25,000, okay, which is 26,277. That's the peak which market has done on Nifty. So this is the lowest point. From here it has moved till here. So what is the level? This is about 7-8,000. This is in 2020 corona crash till the peak. Okay, so this is on a broader time frame. This is on a daily time frame where the market has, if there is any crash tomorrow, okay, what is the worst level where the market can come down and take support? Let's mark that. Okay, the first level will be this zone. Okay, because this is the place where you see the candlestick, this has dropped majorly into this zone and picked up from there, and it made a rally. So first thing, if it has to fall, it will find support here for sure, which is your 21,328. If you see all the news anchors, if they make any prediction of fall, they will say that this will be your level. How do they say it? They say it in the same fashion, because this is how they analyze and see. Next level will be your, see, this will also coincide with your trend line. If this drops into this zone, it is going to hit the trend line here. So even the trend line analysis will tell you that this is your zone of support. Okay, so this is the first level. If it breaks this level, okay, then what is the next level? This is a next level where you have seen that there is a bounce. You can see this is a very good support level, because 1, 2, 3 points as well as 4 points. So this was a previous resistance, okay, which has become a support now. So 18,910 is also a very good support level. So these are very important if you are thinking to invest into markets and waiting for a crash. Then these are the levels where you have to accumulate whatever stocks you find with your analysis. Good stocks, you can pick them up, or even if you want to invest in liquid Bs, or if you want to invest in mutual funds, you can always do that with this level. If market comes down tomorrow at 21,328, I will definitely go and invest whatever savings I have into premium stocks. So this is the space where you have to look out for. So these are the two levels which we have marked, and our fib retracement tool, what is it showing? It is showing us a range of 50 to 60%. Okay, so this is a very crucial 50 to 60% range, where this is a sure shot support for any kind of crash, which may not happen, but this is good to understand and study. So now let's look at a lower time frame, which is 15 minutes time frame. So this is your 15 minutes time frame. And if somebody wants to draw a trend line from here, so this was your peak. Okay, so this is your, you can actually make a channel here. This is called a channel. So it is moving in a channel as of now, and it is in a downtrend. Okay, any trade which you want to take on an intraday basis, you can always take basis a downward bias. So when you say that if it is at the lower end of this ray, let me reduce this volume and pull the chart a little upward. Okay, so if you find that today market is opening here, then you can say that okay, I'll make a positive position here because it might take a support here and it can go up till here in coming few days. So that should be your, but if it breaks this level, then you should be ready with your bear strategy, where you can know that you're shorting it and you know the level on a higher time frame, what level it is going. So coming to an intraday perspective, like intraday, what strategy you should make a consistent income on a daily basis. So intraday trading, if anybody wants to do, they should always do in option selling or equity buying, two places where they can do intraday trading. Option selling, if you have big capital, and that too you have to make strategies in this fashion. I will show you on Opstra. Okay, this is also a free tool. Okay, you can simply log in and go to the strategies. So here you always have these kind of bullish strategy, bearish strategy, non-directional strategy. The best way is to identify the nearest expiry, and since we are saying that market is at a support level, or if you do not know whether it is going to move up or down, then go for a non-directional strategy, which can be your straddles are very risky. So either you can go for a safe strategy, which is short iron condor or short iron fly, or do a Batman strategy, or do a short strangle. What is a simple short strangle? Is market at this level 23,550, and what are you doing is you're selling a 15 rupees put which is out of the money, and 15 rupees call which is out of the money. So this is your position, and your probability of winning is about 77%. So if you know that your probability of winning is 77% and estimated capital is 66,000, you can easily put your 10 lakhs and do this strategy, right? So that is a confidence level you'll get, and max profit is this much. So if I increase the quantity here, say I want to do 10 lots here, and 10 lots here. So what is my profit? 7,000 profit on investment of 6. So that is more than 1%. 1.14% it is showing it here. What is the risk? The risk is about 22,920. Let's calculate this. 22,920 minus 24080. So market has to move, Nifty has to move 1160 points to give you loss. If you foresee by 14, by what is expiry here, 21st expiry, if you predict that market is going to move 1140 points, only then you will make a loss in this. And if you want to lessen your loss, you can always make this into an iron condor. Okay, iron condor, you just have to buy, for example, we have sold 15 rupees. So what we do is we just buy a 10 rupees call, 10 lots, okay, and 10 rupees put, 10 lots. Okay, if you want to further reduce your risk, do this. So your risk is 22,000 if the market comes out of this zone, which is 1100 points, if it moves, then it will make this much. And your capital requirement has come down to 60. So can I not increase it, make it 20 lots? I can definitely make it 20 lots, and then my profit will also go. The probability of profit still remains same, but the profit is only 0.80%. If you want to increase this, you can always say go for 20 lots iron condor. Let's see what is the capital requirement here. Okay, so you need 5,21,000. Your return is about 0.80. So the more you hedge, the profit will come down, and which is also good. You can safeguard your capital and do this on a day-to-day basis or week-to-week basis. Getting 1% return on a weekly basis, that means you will be able to easily make about 3% every month. So 3% every month, even if you do it for like couple of months, you will get more than FD returns. So these are the very simple strategies which anybody can do. People try to make a lot of money in a single day or a single month. You need to change that mindset and look out for these safe strategies which can give you consistent returns. And anything above 16 to 17% return annually is very good return. You are done. You can multiply your money easily. It's again a game of bigger capital. If you have a bigger capital, say 50 lakhs, you are able to generate 16% annually. That is a fantastic return you can generate. So which will, if you want to become a trader, full-time trader, then these are the strategies which you need to apply. I have many other strategies which I have already showcased on my channel. You can always refer that, and there are directional strategies which you can do. Now if you are somebody who's wanting to do intraday equity, why I say equity is because you get a lot of benefits from SEBI itself, plus you have margin required is less, you still get leverage on equities, and the manipulation is less there compared to your options. So the sites which I use is Top Stock Research. There is a site called Top Stock Research. Okay, if you go to this site, you can find a lot of scanners available depending upon your knowledge levels and what you want to do on a daily basis. Whether you want stocks which are like, say for example, I want to do a technical screener. Okay, so if I have to do a trend indicator basis, MACD is there, ADC, super trend is there. So price above super trend. Okay, end of day. Or if you want to do intraday, you can do price above super trend, minute, 15 minutes. So when you click on this, you will get all these stocks which are there. Future and options, these are the 4 stocks. So if I have to look at these stocks, I will also look at the price of the stocks, because the capital would be heavy if the price is higher. So if I say Ambuja Cement, let's look at Ambuja Cement now. What is the trend? If you remember, I think Ambuja Cement was given to you in one of my videos. But yes, see, there is a chart which I've already done. So Ambuja Cement has actually broken its 52-week high. Okay, after this breakout, it went up, and now it is at a zone. So this can be a good buy if it can give a reversal sign here. That means a full weekly candle has to be reversed. Now let's see if our super trend is satisfying. Super trend condition is not satisfied here. It is in a short position. But yes, whenever the super trend turns green on Ambuja, it's a sure short buy for me. So that's how I see stocks for investment. On a weekly basis, you can see super trend for investment. If you want to do an intraday, then also you can see this. See, on a daily basis, you have to see the super trend is down. So no long positions in this. you can only go short on intraday on this stock. So simple analysis, make it very simple, keep only one indicator or two maximum and take your position and do it in such a way that you do always 1:2 trades. That means if you lose, you lose 1 rupee. If you gain, you gain 2 rupees or 3 rupees. That's how you have to manage your trades. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and I wanted to make a lot of videos, but I was not able to make it due to time constraint. But yes, whenever there is anything which you guys need, or if you need any specific topic, any specific stock, please do comment. I will definitely make a video on that. So that's it for today in this video. I think it's good enough for you to get a refresher every now and then. Thank you so much for watching, and please do keep subscribe.